So I started on this yesterday, and unfortunately that video file was corrupted. So luckily I got interrupted by the cold weather last night, and I decided that I was going to call it quits. So I wasn't completely done taking off all of the old electrical wiring, and I tell you what, some of it, as you can see here, was quite good. Oh boy. One positive though, we got an M&W push button starter that hasn't moved in ages. We'll just go ahead and strip that off while we're at it. All right, so these guys are pretty well done. I think they have offered their best years of service. What is this? That has to be one of the most cobbled PTO levers I've seen. We're just going to take that out while we're at it. Oh, that's not going to behave, is it? What the heck? Oh, different sizes. I need a 1/2 inch wrench. Okay. Good. Wow, that wants to be stubborn. Okay, there we go. We can see that we got all the goodie out of that, didn't we? Into the trash. That has to be, that can't be factory. That's way too far back. It works. Okay. Well, let's stay focused and get up here and see if we can save this M&W part. I like these push buttons. Come on. Hey, that looks fairly promising. plan to reuse this nice button. I think I have it on all of my H's. Oh, okay. There we go. I think that looks in good shape. We will definitely order a new button in. Go from there and get that set up and prepped. Ooh boy. So I'm not planning on using any of those wires again. So let's just, oh yeah, I like that. Okay. There we go. One last wire is gone. All right. So this is a 4-position switch, which I think is correct if you would have put one of these on. And that amp gauge, I hope I can save that. So we're going to put this back here to be worked on at a later date. And we're going to continue taking stuff off of right up here. Oh. All right, guys, so we're going to continue on here, stripping this down a little bit. Okay, I'll take that. I am making an effort to put the same hardware that I took off of it back onto it. I don't think that is the right piece. I got to do a little researching. I'm pretty sure that is just farmer made, but I'm not throwing it away until I know exactly for sure. All right. Okay. Put that back on there. I think that bolt looks fine to use again. That, well, I just don't think there's much there to save, but we'll give it a try. How's that? Oh, well, maybe, maybe not. I don't know. I'm not going to throw it away because that handle might be hard to get your hands on in the future, even if the switch isn't really much of a switch. There we go. All right, so taking a better look at this. Boy, I don't know how much of that's going to be salvageable, but we're going to soak it and see if it still works. Feels pretty good. So maybe there's more there than you can see. All right. Okay. So my big question to many of you guys out there, you see this triangle here? On my other H's, it is cast. On this one, it is just a plate with the pipe welded to it. And I am not entirely sure that is correct. So if you guys happen to know if that is right or wrong, whoops, please let me know. Getting the umbrella bracket off. I don't know, I got mixed feelings about umbrella brackets. One, I have too many thorn trees on the place. For it to be a viable, usable option. But I do mow my daughter's cross-country track out there, so maybe there is a use for it. We'll put it in the we don't know yet pile. I did make a decision on rear tires. I'm not going to leave these cutoffs on the back. I have a set of cast centers with decent rims and some weather-checked 11.2 38s. I believe are going to go on this tractor. And I'm just waiting to change tires to make sure that it does run and move. Alright, I won't bore you guys with making me watch the other one. But yeah, umbrella bracket is off. Snaps in good there. So, regardless, we seem to be moving along pretty well today.